Hello friends, welcome to this session, and in this session we will be designing three functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication with return. We are already having the code of three functions. We are using print, but this time we have to change this code so that function should return the value. So instead of print we have to use return, and in return it should only return a value, so we can't use any other message here. So yes, it is return result. So same way, subtraction should also return the value of result, and multiplication should also be returning the value of result. So these are the three functions. Here we are calling our functions. So earlier we called the function in this way, but I hope now you know how we can update our code, because this time addition is returning a value. So I should store that value in some variable. So let's store this value in sum. Then subtraction is also returning a value. Let's store this value in sub. Multiplication is also returning a value. So let's store this value in another variable. The value returned by addition is stored in this add variable. The value returned by subtraction is stored in sub, while value returned by multiplication is stored in this mult. The next task is just to print these values. So can you tell me which value I should print here? Yes, at this point I have to print the value of add mult. Okay, so let's run this code to see the output. First number, let's suppose 4, second is 5. Yes, so we are having the value of result of addition, subtraction and multiplication as this. Good, so we have solved our problem, and in this we have used the functions with the return correctly. So this is the main takeaway. If function is not returning any value, then you call it by simpling its name and parameter. But if function is returning something, then during calling you have to store the value which is returned by the function in some variable, and then you can use those variables in your code. So in next video session we will be discussing something more on return statement. Please join next video session to understand more on return statement. Thank you.